Hello. Second day without the rain. There's a lot of trash now in the water since the rainwater brings a lot of plastic and also organic stuff into the water. Yesterday after the dive when we surfaced, there was a lot of trash all around us, and looks like on our house reef we have a trash as well. About the trash problems, you can check out my last year episode. It's a pretty bad around here in Asia Pacific with all this trash. I think it's not only here, but yeah, we have it. We are most affected because there are a lot of currents brings this trash to our places, and anyways, Asia producing this trash a lot, and there's a lot of that stuff getting into the water. So plan for today is to do something on a house reef, and the conditions looks nice and calm. Yeah, so we'll see how the scene's going, but maybe the second dive we will do at Jemeluk. Good day, pretty okay conditions underwater. Visibility is like kind of a little bit murky, but not that bad, especially for some training needs. Absolutely good. And as a rope for the rumpon, looks like they're going to put it really out somewhere where the depth is around 200 meters. We are going to Tulamben today. Bright sun. In the morning the Agung was clear. Now it's about 9 o'clock in the morning and it's all in the clouds, but it's absolutely normal for this time of the year. If you go early for the sunrise, everything is open, and then it becomes cloudy. So on the way down you're already in the clouds. Are we planning to do 3 dives in the Tulamben, drop off, Coral Garden and Liberty. getting dark. Time to go and edit this episode. We did 3 really good dives. We saw a lot of things actually. I didn't expect to see bumphead parrotfishes on a drop-off, but that's actually a place where they are usually spending a day. During the night time they are sleeping inside the wreck, and during the daytime they are somewhere out on the reef eating. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.